For the salad dressing, I'm going to make tahini today, and this is the hero ingredient: sesame seeds, salt and olive oil. For 2-3 minutes. Now this is the pink color which I was talking about. So hot. After cooling, let's grind sesame seeds with little salt and olive oil and make a smooth paste. A glass jar would be good to store it, and we can store it for a week's time because it does not have any preservative. If you find consistency little less flowy, you can add some oil. Please don't add water to this recipe. That will spoil the taste as well as the texture.